Yo, guess what we're doing today, man? We're gonna be having some fun today, even though it's kind of gloomy, but it won't stop us from doing some fun in the water. I don't know what we're gonna be doing today, but I heard that we're gonna be riding jet skis, and that, you know, that parachute with the speedboat pushing you, and you know you flying. So we gotta go to station 1 to get on the boat ride for 30 minutes, and catch you later. Aight, peace.
Blaze World TV.
So dito kami, sumasakay kami dito ngayon ng parang golf cart na upgraded. You know what I'm saying? And you tuned in to Blaze TV. Yo, so you know, you see that right there? That's the speedboat we're gonna be riding. And you know where we're gonna go? We're gonna go start having some fun. So check me out, yeah.
No.
So you see, you gotta be having the vest is required by the law of Boracay, that every time you get on the boat, you need to wear your vest for safety. Aight. Whoa. Yeah. See you guys later. Hey. Guys, look at that, man. It's still waters, man. It's very calm, but right over there, you see that dark spot up in those clouds? It's about to go down in a little bit, but okay lang yan kasi syempre nasa tubig tayo. Enjoy natin, rain or shine, the fun must go on. And we here, dito tayo. Dito na tayo ngayon. Dito na natin. Mga kamay nyo daw. Over here. Let's get it started. Okay, andito na tayo ngayon. Let's start the fun. Let's not waste no more time. At kita mo naman siguro dito kami sa gitna. Ayan o. Alright.
I stay loose, I stay hype, I stay loose, I stay hype, I stay loose, I stay hype. I could do this all night, cause I do what I like. Yeah, I do what I like, yeah, I do what I like. Sipping goose, sip is right, and I go with the flow. Yeah, I go with the flow, yeah, I go with the flow. Cause I know I'm the show. In the zone, here I go. In the zone, here I go. In the zone, here I go. Yeah, they know I'm a pro. Let's go, let's go!
At ngayon, tapos na kami sa banana boat ride. Alam mo na gagawin namin is parasailing. You know what I mean? Woo! We are getting ready to go high, baby! At Blaze TV. Medyo maalon ngayon. Pero game lang. Hapon na kasi, so the water is getting ready for bedtime, and then we're on the water trying to disturb the peace. Pero it's all good. Tuloy-tuloy lang kayo. Oh my goodness. Here we go, man.
Mr. Place wearing diapers.
Diaper. Subukan natin si Superman.
Social ka, cameraman mo, chief executive ah.
Sir, yes, sir.
Here we go, let's do this! Woo! Tabo. We're way up here.
It's like Sonic.
Time check is 5:30 already in the afternoon, and we're still up in here. Yo, man. Ooh. If you can see the scene up in here, man, it's super crazy. Whoa, I'm so hot. Whoa.
Even seaweed.
I think I got. I see.
Even seaweed.
It is. Oh no! Way up, way up, way up. Woo!
It's like.
Look at that beautiful sunset in the back, man. Oh my goodness! Thank you, Lord. Woo! So beautiful up in here. Done, and we're heading back to Boracay, heading back to land, and we had a good time. As you can see that, pretty fun. Parks experience with the family, it's fun, really great, and glad that we get to be in this